Hello everyone, once again I am here with one of the trigonometry question. Prove that 1 plus cos theta whole square plus 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta is equal to 2 bracket 1 plus 2 cot square theta. We have to prove. Take LHS here. LHS 1 plus cos theta whole square plus 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Like before in episode number 7, 8, similarly in episode number 23, 24, I told you this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Similarly we have to use here same. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. Here this is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. And similarly a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Same we have to use here. In the place of a, what is here? 1. In the place of b, cos theta. So we can write 1 whole square plus 2ab. b means cos theta plus b square. b square means cos theta whole square plus same here a minus b whole square. A means 1 whole square minus 2. A means 1. B means cos theta plus b square. मतलब cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Okay. 1 square. 1 into 1 means 1 plus 2. 2 into 1 into cos theta means 2 cos theta plus cos theta whole square means cos square theta plus 1 square 1 minus 2 into 1 2 cos theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta. Okay, now look at here. Plus 2 cos square theta here, 2 cos theta here, minus 2 cos theta. Opposite sign, so we can reduce. Now 1 plus 1 2 plus cos square theta 2 cos square theta by sin square theta. Now what is common here? What is common? 2 common. Take here 2 common. What is remaining? 1 plus cos square theta by sin square theta. But we have to prove 1 plus 2 cot square theta. So we have try to convert this in the form of cot. Cot, what is the formula of cot? Cos by sin. So we can separate here. 2 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta. 2 okay, 1 by sin 1 by sin. What is the formula of 1 by sin? Cosec square theta. 1 by sin means cosec. So here is a square, so we can write here cosec square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta means cot square theta. Cot square theta. 2. Now no need this cosec because here is in LHS in RHS no cosec, in the form of cot only. So we have to convert this cosec in the form of cot. So cosec means, what is the formula of cosec? 1 plus cot square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 2. 1 plus cot square theta plus cos square theta means 2 cot square theta. We have to prove 2 bracket 1 plus 2 cot square theta. Proved. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and please subscribe it. Don't forget to subscribe, and please press the bell button, and you can share with your friends also. It's very important for mathematics students. Thank you.